สวัสดีทุกคนตอนนี้คอยอยู่กับผู้อำนวยการโรงเรียนการเงินมีไซนี่เนาะและมื้อนี้จะมาสัมภาษณ์เราเกี่ยวกับโรงเรียนนี้เป็นไปมาได้จังไดและใครอยากมาเรียนอยู่นี่และจะได้ยังสิได้มาเรียนโอเค let's start ต่อไปนี้จะว่าเป็นภาษาอังกฤษนะแต่ว่ามีซับบ่ต้องย่านโอเคติดตามกันเลย
Okay, you can call me Olilak. I'm
Okay.
director of the Misai Financial College. We have two courses in this college. We have business English and also finance and accounting course. Yeah.
So what I would like to know is about your background. So like I saw your WhatsApp profile that is somewhere is not in Laos. So could you tell me about that? Your background.
My background. My hometown is from Luang Prabang. I'm
Okay.
from Luang Prabang, and at year 2000, and that time at Luang Prabang, in Luang Prabang, we still didn't have university. So I need to move to Vientiane to study English in Vientiane in University of Laos. And after graduate from there in year 2006 to be English teacher, and then I start my first work at because at that time I study English and also Japanese.
Yeah.
So after I graduate, I became a Japanese and English tour guide in Luang Prabang for 2 years, and then doing some translation job. And then after that, I became a government staff in Ministry of Education and Sports.
Wow.
During I was working with Ministry of Education, I got a scholarship from Japanese government to study to take master degree in education and psychology in Christian University in Japan.
Wow.
And after graduated, I took a short course in New Zealand
New Zealand.
for about 6 months.
Wow. About English only.
Yes.
It's amazing. So
That's it.
how did you come to build this school? Like how you came up with the idea of to build the school?
Because when I was in provincial and we don't know what I have the passion to have a college or school to teach provincial students.
Yeah.
Because at that time in Luang Prabang still not developed that much, so there are lack of foreigners.
Yeah.
And at that time we learn English, but we don't have chance to speak English with foreigners.
Okay. Practice.
And me and another friend, a very good friend of mine who has a chair in this school as well.
Wow.
We run after the foreigners. Like when we saw the foreigner and falang, and then we run after them because we want to practice.
Practice, okay.
And then we
I
want
get
to
that, okay.
know what is the real action of the English.
Wow.
So that's why and then we came to Vientiane, and we always want to speak English, and we want to know what is the world is. And then I want the young kids also have the self-confidence, even they are not their English is not that good.
Yeah.
Like my English is not that good, but I want
make a
to
lot of mistakes.
yes, I want to let them know that English is one of the method
Yeah.
of the communication.
Yeah, English is the key. The key
Yes.
is there to connect the world.
Yes.
You have to know the world in
Yeah.
English.
So it doesn't mean my English is not good, my English is not perfect.
Nah,
Who
we don't care
cares?
about that. Okay,
Yeah.
Who cares? Okay.
Who cares? At least we understand each
Yeah,
other.
the previous I have met this video for a year. In my previous video, the people said, your accent is blah 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 that. Who care about that? So I improved from that point. So the
Yeah.
problem. So what I want to know is, actually, I'm a big fan of to have to own this school in one day in the future. So I would like to know is that difficult to start the school like this, to start the university or college in Laos? What we have to do if you want to do that like you did?
Of course, to do a business, we need to have the process. To have the process for the document, but one thing is you need to have the passion.
Passion, okay.
Yes, and then you need to fight, to work very hard,
Sure.
and nobody will trust you. Will sometimes people will not support you.
Yeah.
But we need,
to
you
walk
need to
alone.
yes, but you need to support yourself.
Okay, I get
Sometimes family or friends will say, oh, it's
that.
not gonna work.
Yeah, so if the student want to study here, so how can they come here and how much about the tuition fees per term? That is
Now we have the diploma course in
Yeah.
business English and also in the financial course. So the fees are about 2 million gifts per year.
Per year.
Yes,
Okay, per
and
year.
as you may know that we hire foreigners
Yeah,
to teach
because I'm interested in that.
different countries.
Yeah, different countries.
Yeah.
I know Mr. Vincent. He's the owner of the Wongkam Resort there.
Yes.
So I like our students went there last month to practice English. Just like that, like I found like the British town, something like that. So
Yes.
all of them are foreigner and they speak English. They're from
Yes.
England. So that
Yeah.
I'm a big fan of British English. I start my English by Sky New Life. So start watching that for 2 or 3 years. That's good. That.
Yeah, that's good. You can influence student. I mean, encourage student.
Yeah. So what
to
what
do-
we are doing this video also is what is can help the student when the people. So we go to university, that's faculty. So people, the student from whole the country, when we what this they said the student in this faculty they are speaking English really good. So they want to be good like them. So they try to learn English and try. So our country will be better and better. That's my
Yes.
purpose. That's what I want to do. So I don't care people said, your English is blah 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 blah. So fine, okay.
As long as we keep everyone keep improving.
Yeah.
No one perfect.
Yeah.
So
I
no
understand
worry.
that. Okay.
As long as you can encourage students
Yeah.
and you can be influencers
Yeah.
that to make the teenagers know that when you have passion
Yeah.
and you need to find your own passion,
Yeah.
you love about it and you will enjoy like you do right now.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you for your answer. Okay. I hope this video can be can help a lot of people to practice the English. Actually, we have on Facebook page is nearly 12,000 followers and YouTube is on 1,800 followers. And
Wow.
probably just like last week, someone from Thailand to use my video to upload and that's nearly 100,000 views. So
Wow,
I'm amazing.
that's
A
good.
lot of people have been like we know Lao students. They said some of Thai they commented. They said, "Wow, Lao students they speak better than us." Okay, how the like English system how they treat at school, but actually that's true just a little bit because we like this we find the student to interview about 10 or 20 we got only 3 or 4 that's okay.
Yes,
But
yes.
we have to collect
Yes.
good one.
Yes.
Okay,
it's
thank you. So
Thank
okay,
you.
thank you, okay.
Thank you for visit us. And
Okay,
we hope
thank you
to
again.
see you in the future.